boys and girls, we have set up a shop for you today. So we're going to be doing a maths lesson with money, and it's a game that you can play at home. So to set up our shop, what we did was we just collected some items from around the classroom, but you can do this from around your house, and we have created money signs using post-its. So you can see the value of this one is 2p, 3p, 8p, 10p, 5p and 6p. And we're going to be using the coins that we've been using in reception so far, and to pay for the item that you choose, and Miss Davis is going to come to my shop today. So the coins that we're going to be using today are 1p, 2p, 5p and 10p. And for parents to know, these are the coins that we have used in reception. We wouldn't be using any coins above that value in reception, but we'd be using perhaps different coins to make different amounts within those. And it's also really important to remember that money is a really abstract concept for children, and the fact that that is a 2p, for us it's easy to understand, but for children, knowing that that is one coin but that it has got the value of 2 1p can be quite a tricky concept. So as we do the examples that we're going to do today, if you find that your children are finding it too tricky to use 2p's or 5p's and understanding their value, you could just go back to just making those amounts and counting in ones using 1p's. Okay, so hello Mrs Davies.
Hello Mrs Ahmed. So I'm going to buy something from your shop.
Yeah.
So could I buy the zebra, please?
Of course, that will be 3p, please.
So I'm going to pay with 1p coins. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Just check. So you've got 1p, 2p, 3p. Super.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Zebra toy. And then could I have, I think I'd like to buy the perfume bottle.
Sure, that is 2p.
And I know I've got a 2p coin, which is the same as 2 1p coins. I'm going to use that to buy the perfume bottle.
Thank you. And it's the exact amount, so I don't need to give you any money back.
Thank you. And then shall I do one more?
Yeah.
So I would like to buy the recipe book, I think.
Okay, that is 6p, please.
So I'm going to use a 5p coin, so 5, add 1p, which is 6. And I can see Mrs Ahmed is showing me that 5 and 1 is 6 altogether, so 6p.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. So you've got some lovely items there, Mrs Davies, and we've looked at using different coins to make amounts, but also using 1p coins to make bigger amounts too. So like we said, if your children are finding it too hard to use different coins to make different amounts, just use 1p. So for example, to pay for an orange that costs 8p, they could use 8 1p's. But if they're finding that easier, they could find different ways of making 8p, for example using 4 2p's. You might find that when you're doing this, the children remember that you can make 8p by using 5 and 3, but that's a talking point for you with them to remember that that is not a 3p coin, 3p coin, but you could make that 3p using 1p's or 1p's and 2p's. If they find that quite simple, making amounts using different coins, you could also have a go at paying and then giving back some change. So would you like to choose something to buy, Miss Davies?
Let's have, I think the alarm clock. I need an alarm clock to help me get up for school.
So that's 4p, please.
So I've got 5p, so I'm going to pay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Mrs Davies had 5p in her purse, so she has paid for the alarm clock with a 5p, but it only cost 1, 2, 3, 4p. So there's still 1p left. So I'm going to give Mrs Davies back her 1p. I'm going to put my 5p in there.
Thank you.
It's 5 take away 4 for the alarm clock equals 1p. So that 1p belongs to Mrs Davies.
Thank you. Should I do one more?
Should we have a go?
So I'm going to pay for the orange, I think.
Okay, so that's 8 pence.
And I'm going to pay with a 10p coin.
Thank you. So I've got 10p here. 10. But the orange costs 8p. So would you like to all get 10 fingers up? And let's take away 8 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we've got 2 pence left. So 10 take away 8 leaves us with 2 pence. So I'm going to give Mrs Davies back 2 pence.
Thank you.
Along with her.
And I get my orange. Thank you, Mrs Ahmed. And I've got lots of lovely things that I bought from the shop today.
So at home, just like we said, you can set up your own shop and you can have a go at using real money to pay for items. We hope you had fun.